Kids, welcome to Maths Olympiad class. We will discuss a few problems in Maths Olympiad. There are 5 trees planted along the roadside. The trees are planted 3 meters apart from each other. Find the distance between first and fifth tree. Question is, every tree is placed at a distance of 3 meters. We have to find the distance between first and fifth tree. It's very simple. Kids, how many trees are there? It's 5. How many 3-meter gaps are there in between? It's 4. That is 1 less than the number of trees. So children, to get the distance between the first and the fifth tree, you have to add 3 meters repeatedly 4 times. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give you 12 meters. Thus, when there are 5 trees, there are 4 gaps in between them. When you have 10 trees, there will be 9 gaps in between them. Which means the number of gaps is always every time 1 less than the number of trees. If more number of trees are given, it is really difficult for you to draw the diagram and get the answer. So let's generalize it and get the formula. If there are n trees planted in a row and the distance between the 2 trees is y meters, first you have to find the number of gaps in between. As I told already, the number of gaps present between first and last tree is 1 less than n. That is n minus 1. So, to find the distance between first and nth tree, you have to add y meters repeatedly for n minus 1 times. That is n minus 1 into y. Y refers to the distance between the 2 trees. Now, question number 2. 90 trees were planted along the side of a straight road. The trees were planted 8 meters apart. What is the distance between first and the last tree? We will simply use the formula n is equal to 90 here. Y is equal to 8 meters. So, the distance between the first and the 90th tree is n minus 1 into y. N here is 90. So, it is 90 minus 1 into y here is 8. So, it is 89 into 8 will give us 712 meters. Now, question number 3. There are 5 trees planted along the roadside. The distance between the first and the fourth tree is 18 meters. Find how much distance apart each trees are planted. Kids, the question is, we have to find at what distance each tree is planted. Now listen, number of gaps between the first and the fourth tree is 3. Therefore, the space between the tree will be calculated as 18 by 3, which gives us 6 meters. 18 is the total distance between first and the fourth tree. Therefore, the solution is finding the space between the trees, which is 6 meters. We will try one more question. There are 3 cars parked in a row. The cars are parked at 4 meters apart. The length of the car is 6 meters. We have to find the distance between traffic pole and the third car. The distance between the traffic pole and the third car is, it is very simple. Looking at the diagram, 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 will give us 20 meters. So, the distance between the traffic pole and the third car is 20 meters. Thank you, kids. You are the best.